This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Also, have 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar ready. Don't forget 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. These are the foundational elements for a perfect batch. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This creates a rich, flavorful base for your cookies. With your dough ready, it's time to form and bake. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. This spacing is crucial for even baking and prevents them from merging. Bake in your preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 9 to 11 minutes. Look for golden brown edges and slightly soft centers, indicating they are perfectly done. Once baked, the final steps ensure perfect texture. Allow your cookies to cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes. This brief resting period helps them set and prevents crumbling. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Cooling on a rack allows air circulation, ensuring a crisp bottom. Now, your delicious homemade cookies are ready to be enjoyed. They're perfect with a glass of milk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.